It's a new year, it's a new look, and it's a new attitude here at Scott from Kitchen Design Center and Lisa. So what are the new looks?
New this time of the year usually will start after the first of the year. So, and when the home improvement shows start and the kitchen and bath shows start. But as they come out, even on a weekly basis, we are upgrading every week on our Facebook page, on our website. We are showing everything new. So if something new comes out, every week it'll be on my site.
And I'll be sharing some promos from American Countertops with you as well. So
and promotions also, yes. Their cabinet promotions will be coming out soon. I'm already seeing that.
So what are some of the continuing trends going into 2024?
Painted finishes are still very, very strong. Okay. I'm starting to see the bright white go out now, more of the off-whites. Believe it or not, finally, I'm starting to see interest in the blues and the greens, mainly in the younger generation I'm starting to see.
Okay.
Yeah, surprising. And the nice thing about that is the blues and the greens, you're seeing it in the quartz countertops also.
Yes, you are.
Starting to introduce those with the earth tones.
And what about hardware?
Hardware's still pretty much the same. We're trying to make sure you don't mix or add too many metals into a kitchen. So like if you do stainless appliances, you want to do stainless hardware. But if you're not having too many metals in the kitchen, you can introduce something unique. There are some really cool finishes for, hardware.
Yes,
and again, will be coming out again soon.
They mention RES TV?
As everybody knows, we have the best pricing in town. And if you add that to your 10% for your RES TV, nobody's going to touch our prices at all.
Kitchen Design Center, call Scott today.